To replace the GC2 battery, start by removing the screw located at the top of the panel. Once the screw has been removed, we're then going to go ahead and pry the cover off from the top corners pulling towards us. Once the cover is removed, use the hands-free hold-up latch to hold the panel in place for us. We're then going to remove this green battery. Carefully move any wires out of the way. Grab the battery wire at the base on the white plastic part, and what I like to do is wiggle upwards until the battery comes out. It's important to note that we should put the notch of the battery wire in the proper side of the slot for the battery. As we can see, there's a little indent in the battery slot and a little notch on the battery wire. We're going to put the notch in the indent like so. Press down until it clips into place. Once completed, we can then remount the cover, remove the hands-free latch, and go ahead and line up starting from the bottom edges, pushing upwards once it is sitting flush. Once the panel is sitting flush, we're then going to rescrew in the screw at the top of the panel.